back to another episode of Cooking with Hippo. I'd first like to say thank you for all the cards and well wishes. I fell! In today's episode, we have meatballs paired. Fuck.
Anyway, make a smile face because I can see it. There you go.
You're what?
I know, I've been sweating. Did you see what I went through?
Yeah.
Turn it off.
I'll say that right now.
So you gotta run it backwards. It's browning pretty good though. Shouldn't be much longer. So now cheese. Ian, you want Mexican style or you want quesadilla?
I'll do.
Want a beef street taco?
Yeah, sure, that's fine.
Oh, okay, man. Good choice, man. Usually black people don't really care, but. Oops.
Oh, yes. I'll have the salmon with the diced potato, and if it's not diced, I'm gonna throw it on the fucking floor. And then I'll also do asparagus.
Alright, guys. So now we're gonna add our chicken broth and get that going. Alright, guys. So the next step we're gonna do is we're just gonna put the chicken broth in the pot and get that. Alright, guys. So now we're gonna go and start with our meatballs here.
You know, you can put those in the micro! You know, you can put those in the micro! Hey, I fell!
Put it in the intro.
So now the next step, all we're gonna do is we're gonna put this delicious pasta by our sponsor, Giovanni Rana, in the. For sponsoring this video.
That was perfect. Just the right amount of racist. That's what.
No, don't get him in it.
No, I can't because I'm gotta be in a.
Cut! Okay, guys, this is our final product. We got our pasta, our meatballs, and our smokies, and our garlic bread. So now we're gonna serve our friends. Our friend.
Oh, hey, what's up?
Hey, James.
Yeah.
Here you go, bud.
Oh, it's food. Ooh. This is directly out of the oven. So do it. Okay. It's food. Roll it for food.
Fucking shit.
It's food.
Alright, guys, so that was our Cooking with Hippo episode with. Fucking sorry, maybe